What's up? It's Jake.
It's Nate.
We got something different today, man. You ever heard of Snow Raven?
No.
So apparently she make all these crazy noises and it's like nature-y. I don't know, man. We about to check it out.
Let's get to it, man. Let's check it out.
Etheric.
She look already kind of.
Etheric noises. Why she look like the villain from the Power Rangers?
Yeah.
You seen the Power Rangers movie?
Throwback Power Rangers. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, this some like.
She about to enchant us with something. Bro, she's making all that noise. Ooh. She sounds like an animal.
Bro, you ever seen that movie, The Fifth Element?
Yeah. It's like that. Like the blue thing.
Yeah, the blue girl.
Damn.
Bro, it sounds like a damn forest coming out her mouth.
Oh, the whole forest.
Amazon.
Exactly.
Bro, if I'm in the forest and I hear this, I'm bugging out.
I'm getting chills a little bit. Hold up. Hey, it's kind of relaxing. Drum man's crucial too, though.
Yeah.
Woo! Etheric. Just the whole fit too, you know? Adds to everything. Smoke.
Bro, but she's making that noise.
It's trippy. Sounds like there's like multiple people.
Спасибо.
Bro.
Ваши бурные аплодисменты.
What you think?
Зарина Андреас.
Уру я ехал. Мы все едины.
Bro.
Люди и природа.
I think she's
Всех
Russian
с
or something. You see
праздником.
the flag? Oh no, that's
Yeah.
something else. I don't know where she's
Something.
from. Where's she from?
Bro, that was like, I don't know how to describe it, bro. Just kind of like, I would want to get like high. And then,
You
I'm
wild.
being so serious.
You
like,
wild.
like do some shrooms or something and listen to this. I'll probably geek out, bro.
That's a whole journey. She, yeah, you know.
Yeah, like a mystical Amazon, like something like this. If you had like a dope visual with it, like a virtual visual that you can kind of like sift through, like bro, that would
Yeah,
be
some
like,
crazy visuals.
Yeah.
Or if they had some people dancing, like an interpretive dance or something.
Yeah, like a snake dance or something.
Some,
don't
I
know,
think.
bro.
Yeah.
just,
They could add a lot to that, actually.
bro, because it was like, it was captivating. Like, you know, it was like, hold on, what's going on? You know, like,
I feel like she got more in the tank, too. Like some other different sounds.
yeah.
Because she was kind of going...
Tapping into like the Amazon forest jungle vibes, you know?
Ooh.
Like, what else you got cooking in that belly? You know what I'm saying? Like, what else you got cooking?
Hey, that was... Yeah, I enjoyed it. That was different.
That was cool.
Yeah, let us know in the comments, like, where is she from? And, you know, what else? Is there anything else like this we should watch?
For real.
Yeah, all right. Thanks for tuning in.
Catch you on the next one.